Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo A98. In this video I'll show you how to connect pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your pendrive has a USB-C stick and then simply plug it to charging port in your smartphone. Now when your pendrive is plugged, go to Settings and search for OTG in search bar. Now simply switch this button and you can go to My Files app. Here is your pendrive internal storage. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.